Hi boys and girls, welcome back to science. Now this week we're learning about basic needs, and we're reading this book. We started it a couple days ago. This book is about money, because many of our basic needs, which are fulfilled by our parents, those things are purchased with money. They buy them at the store, they buy them online, but many of our basic needs like food and shelter, things like that, our parents buy those things with money. So let's continue reading this book. Money makes it easier. Most of the time, people trade money for goods and services. Money makes trading easier. The label says, this man did work on the other man's house in exchange for money. Let's say your friend pays you for your cookie. Now you can buy the ice cream cone you want. Or maybe you will buy a toy.
Buy.
How much does this bread cost? The price is the amount of money we pay for something. The person selling a good or service decides the price. If the price is too high, no one will buy it. If the price is too low, the seller will not earn enough money. She will not be able to buy flour to make more bread. A market is any place where people buy or sell goods and services. Several people might be selling cookies in a market. That gives people choices. This label says markets give people a choice of what to buy. Which cookie tastes better? Which one costs less? What will you buy with your money? Activity: design a coin. Artists create the pictures we see on bills and coins. Pretend the U.S. President has asked you to design a new coin. Will you design a penny, nickel, dime, quarter, half dollar, or dollar coin? Draw your new coin on the sheet of paper. This label says coins of 10 include pictures of buildings, people, and animals. Alright, you can go ahead and do this activity, drawing a picture of what you think a coin would look like if you designed it, how you think a coin should look, and take a picture and upload it. And thank you for joining me today for science.